Welcome back to the channel. So today we got a new part to install on our Element Trailwalker from SOR RC products. This is a link riser for the rear upper links. They claim that with this, it will help your climb going up. Not that my rig does bad, but I saw it and I thought, you know what? I'm gonna get it. It was inexpensive. Figured I'll try it out. So we're gonna take you over to the bench, show you what this is about, get it installed on our Trailwalker, and go out back and see if we notice anything. Hope you stick around for that. All right, guys, so there we have it from SOR RC Products, Element Enduro Rear Link, Upper Link Riser. Part number right there. So it's going to go on the back here, right in there. So we'll have to take out the screw right here with the nut on the end to pull the links up, and then the riser should drop in there. So let's get this opened. New piece there. It's aluminum, lightweight, and comes with some new screws. So now we will see about getting this loose here. All right, so you can see there links drop out. So I believe it sits in there like so. And it comes with 3 screws, which one's the long one that goes through for the 2 links, and then 2 small ones, which I'm gonna believe is to mount this. Let's see which end is threaded here. So we must go this way. You'll notice here the holes are only on one side of this, and you have holes through here. So it tells me you want it this way because it looks like they're threaded. Therefore, go through the back and thread into the aluminum. Oh, no, holes were not lined up as we push the link out. All right, guys, so there it is installed. I had to, for these 2 screws that go in the back right here, you know, the holes have to line up. You just got to push it down really snug to get those holes to line up, but they will line up. It's not really difficult. I just wasn't looking before, paying enough attention. So I just had to push it down just a little bit extra and put that through there so you can see it actually sits up higher. Right there is the hole the screw would normally go through. There it is there. It's a good little distance higher. So we'll get some wheels on it, get a battery charge, and go out and test it out. I hope you stick around.
you have it, guys. What do you think? I think my course doesn't have the right kind of obstacles to really tell if it's making a difference. There was one point for a brief second I thought I noticed something in positive, but it was very quick. And again, I just don't have big climbs. Hoping to get out to my local crawl spot that we have this nice big steep climb that I can really put it to the test. Hope you like what you see today, guys. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe. Down below will be links to the product as well as a Red Cat affiliate link if you need anything from Red Cat. And until the next time.